as one Doug Hetty. He's got the 7-day forecast already up. Wade is in Humboldt. Now, Wade, I want you to remind everybody that they need their umbrellas today. You are now in charge of Humboldt weather. Don't worry, we don't need to clear that past Doug. I've got like pseudo authority to do that. And I'll run it past him later. Happy birthday, my man.
Looking good there, looking good. We've got JALIYAH Burnett turning 5 years old this year. What a cutie there. Happy birthday, JALIYAH. Hope you have a great one.
Harrison Dunn, evidently we ran ahead. I don't remember the picture we did, but there's Harrison celebrating number 7. Is that? That's pretty cool jersey there. I'm looking at the patch on it. Anyway, Harrison, I want you, we'll celebrate your birthday all week long, my man. He's turning 7.
All right, and sorry we mispronounced your name. We got it right, Harrison. MAKENZYE MCELHANEY turning 8 years old this year. Happy birthday to MAKENZYE in Pittsburgh.
Morgan Stauffer, she is 12, and for everybody who's in the 6th grade in Carl Junction, practice your social distancing, but make sure you wish Morgan a very happy birthday.
All right, happy birthday, Morgan. And happy birthday, PRESLEY WARFORD. Presley, what a fun picture there. Celebrating in Arma, Kansas. She is 12 years old.
At Anderson Middle School, that's where you can find the birthday boy by the name of Zane McGuffey. I should call him a young man because he is now a teenager. Zane loves to play percussion in the Anderson Middle School band right there. Happy birthday, my man.
All right, and Trent Johnson turning 25 years old this year. Happy birthday to Trent up in Fort Scott.
Run out to Jasper. Dale Earl celebrating his 71st birthday. Very happy birthday to you, Mr. Earl.
All right, Pat Olson celebrating birthday number 86 this year in Erie, Kansas. Birthday wishes coming from your husband, Ron. Happy birthday, Pat.
Ron and Deborah Trim are celebrating their 14th anniversary. Congratulations to Ron and Deborah. Perhaps a trip to Big Ed's in store as they celebrate in Thayer.
All right, and in Pickaway, Kansas, celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss, we've got DUANE and Flo RENO. Congratulations to the Renos in Pickaway.
One more to pass along, and that would be Dennis Eckhart. Dennis, a happy birthday to you. I'll give you your screen to yourself, my man, as he celebrates in Carl Junction. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. That's where you can turn them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.